In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might find that your Wi-Fi is not connecting, and that can be really frustrating. So the first thing I want you to do is go over to the top right and swipe down. It's going to bring up your control panel, and just make sure that airplane mode is not turned on. And even if it isn't, you can just turn it on and then turn it off again, which is going to refresh your whole system, search for Wi-Fi again and see if that works. And if that doesn't work, what I want you to do is go over to your settings application. And then once you're here, it's going to look something like this. And I just want you to go over to your Wi-Fi section. Now just look at whatever Wi-Fi you are trying to connect to. So let's just say it's this one right here. Press the little I, and what you can do is press forget this network, and then you can reconnect to it, and hopefully it should work by you inputting your new password. Also, it's worth making sure that low data mode isn't on, because basically what this is, it helps you reduce your iPhone's data usage over your mobile network or specific Wi-Fi networks you select. So when low data mode is turned on, automatic updates and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused. So you want to make sure that that is turned off so that your Wi-Fi is being used properly. The next thing I want you to do is, once you're in your settings, go over to General, which is right under Battery. And then from here, go over to Software Update, which is right under About. And then just make sure that you are on the latest version of iOS, because if you haven't updated in a while, your operating system might not be working properly. And your operating system, which is iOS, is what controls, your Wi-Fi and everything that's basically running on your phone. It's basically the brain of your phone. And after doing all of that, if it still doesn't work, what I want you to do is go over to General again, scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then at the bottom, you're going to see Reset. And then just press Reset Network Settings. And now what this is going to do is going to reset anything that you previously connected to, whether it's on Wi-Fi or mobile data or anything like that. So anywhere you go now, you're going to have to re-input those passwords because nothing is going to be saved anymore. But then after that, you should be good to go.